Hey, what's up, breeders? I wanted to talk to you about why you should be using sales funnels to generate a pup and stud buyer list and converting them into paying customers. So first of all, let's talk about what a sales funnel is. Simply put, a sales funnel is a series of steps that a potential customer goes through, from becoming aware of your puppy or stud to contacting you, to giving you their name, phone, and email, to giving you a deposit, to making the full purchase. And by using a sales funnel, you can guide your prospects through the decision-making process and make it more likely that they will become paying customers. So why is this specifically important for dog breeders? Well, breeding dogs, it's a business. It's just like any other business. It's essential to have a steady stream of customers in order to be successful. And you can effectively target and attract the right people to your business with the sales funnel. So for example, like to illustrate a sales funnel, when promoting a pup or stud on your Facebook personal profile, a group, or a business page, this is where your audience becomes aware of your product. Then when you talk with a prospect in your DMs, this is where you begin to build trust and relay important information. Now, the next step in the sales funnel is collecting their user info. So now is a good time to send them to your landing page where they can leave their info in exchange for an offer. Now that they have left their info with you, meaning their name, email, and phone number, you can automatically send them emails like once a week or once a month to continue to build trust with them. You can send them automated texts with links to your social media pages to grow your following. There's just so much you can do, once you own their personal information. And the final step in the sales funnel, after you've handled all their questions, is, you've done a FaceTime, you've collected the deposit, and then you finally get paid in full. So instead of just posting pictures and videos of your puppies, you can use social media to direct people to a landing page that captures their info and starts moving them through that sales funnel. And using a sales funnel, it can also help you identify and track how effective your marketing efforts are, and allows you to see kind of where you might need to make adjustments in order to increase conversions of post viewers into actual paying customers. So if you're a breeder and you want to learn how to implement this in your business, go ahead and pre-sign up for our free Kennel Boost breeder marketing course coming soon. You can sign up at www.kennelboost.com. Cheers.